Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 cool gadgets for your home that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
Number 1. The Amazon Basics Book. Safe with Key Lock is a versatile and reliable product that offers a secure storage solution for your valuables. With dimensions of 2.17 inches, depth into 6.1 inches, width into 9.45 inches height, this book safe is compact yet spacious enough to hold your important items. The key lock mechanism provides added security, giving you peace of mind knowing that your belongings are safely stored. Crafted from steel and crepe paper, this book safe is both durable and discreet. The blue color adds a touch of style, making it blend seamlessly with your other items. Weighing 1.7 pounds, it is lightweight and portable, allowing you to easily carry it with you wherever you go. Whether you need a safe place to store cash, jewelry, documents, or other valuables, the Amazon Basics Book Safe is an excellent choice. Its UPC of 192233014265 and GTN of 00192233014265 ensure its authenticity and quality. Overall, this book safe combines practicality, security, and style, making it a must-have for anyone.
Number 2. The OXO Good Grips 2-in-1 Citrus Juicer by OXO is a brilliant addition to any kitchen, offering a seamless and efficient way to extract fresh citrus juice. This product, in a striking orange color, not only adds a pop of vibrancy to your countertop but also delivers exceptional functionality. One standout feature of this citrus juicer is its pulp control mechanism, allowing users to customize their juice to their preferred consistency. This level of control sets it apart from standard juicers on the market, catering to a wider range of preferences. Measuring at 5.2 inches in diameter, 5.7 inches in width, and 8.5 inches in height, this juicer is compact enough to fit neatly in most kitchen spaces without being obtrusive. Its smooth finish adds a touch of elegance and ensures easy cleanup after use. Overall, the OXO Good Grips 2-in-1 Citrus Juicer combines functionality with a sleek design, making it a versatile and practical tool for anyone looking to enjoy freshly squeezed citrus.
Number 3. Nilkin Qi Receiver USB-C is a sleek and efficient wireless charging receiver designed by Nilkin, a trusted brand in the industry. This receiver utilizes Type-C interface connectivity technology and features a USB Type-C connector, making it compatible with a wide range of cellular phones. With its compatibility spanning across various phone models such as LG BlackBerry, OnePlus, Moto, HTC, Nokia, Sony, Google, and Samsung, this receiver is a versatile solution for those looking to add wireless charging capabilities to their devices with USB Type-C charging ports. The Nilkin Qi Receiver. USB-C offers a seamless and convenient charging experience, allowing users to effortlessly charge their devices without the hassle of tangled wires. Its thin design is unobtrusive and easy to install, ensuring that it does not interfere with the usability or aesthetics of the phone. Whether you have a Samsung Galaxy S series, Google Pixel, HTC Desire, or any other phone with a USB Type-C charging.
Number 4. The Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet by Fekivasi is a top-notch addition to any bathroom. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, this product exudes quality and modern elegance. With a single lever handle for ease of use, it provides a luxurious and hygienic cleansing experience. One of the standout features of this bidet sprayer is its spot-resist stainless steel finish, keeping it looking sleek and clean with minimal maintenance required. Additionally, the leak-proof design ensures a hassle-free operation, giving users peace of mind. Installation is a breeze with the included components such as the stainless steel hose, T-valve, plumber tape, and hook holder. The user manual guides you through the process, making it convenient for both DIY enthusiasts and beginners. Furthermore, the handheld bidet sprayer is eco-friendly, helping you save water with each use. Its ergonomic design and functionality cater to a wide range of users, making it a versatile.
Number 5. The Amazon Basics. Digital kitchen scale with LCD display is a sleek and reliable addition to any kitchen. Designed by the reputable brand Amazon Basics, this scale comes in a modern black and stainless steel color combination, that effortlessly complements any kitchen decor. This kitchen scale is perfect for a variety of food-related tasks, whether you're measuring ingredients for cooking or portioning out your meals for precise calorie counting. With a weight limit of up to 11 pounds, it can handle most kitchen weighing needs with ease. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this scale is not only sturdy but also easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday use.